YouTube, Instagram.
And
Hi,
I'm really
bye.
happy. Bye.
No, I said hi, bye. And I didn't
Oh,
say bye.
sorry.
Now after that
I
I'll say bye. Hello, welcome to my channel, Fluent and Fun. How are you? How have you been? I'm so excited.
yeah. Hi, Shufi. I'm good. And what about you?
I'm also
Am I
pretty good.
visible and audible?
Absolutely. You are audible and visible. I can see you clearly, even you're shining. Yes.
Okay.
So, Anu, as you have come on my channel for the very first time, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Hello, Shufi, and everyone who is watching this video. So, my name is Anuradha Jaiswal, and I'm from UP. And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed my master's in psychology in 2024. And currently, I'm preparing for some government examinations. And with this, I'm learning this English language and want to be fluent and be perfect, not perfect, but want to speak this language confidently. And that's all about me. Thank you for like asking this and inviting me on your channel.
Well, I'm so
Okay.
excited, Anu. And yes, I have been seeing your videos on Instagram. You created 30-day challenge, and I'm so inspired by you because you maintained consistency and you did it. So, welcome, Anu, in Fluent and Fun. Tell me, your first question is, tell me how was your journey? 30-day challenge, how did it go? And what sort of challenges you came across while shooting the video. How was your journey? Just share with me. Yeah.
Really, and I will must say, it was quite challenging for me. And when I started and when I thought to start this challenge, I faced lots of difficulties regarding speaking and like using the words perfectly. I did lots of mistake. And this is not like I don't know to speak English, how to speak, and I don't know. But it's lack of like trying and practice. Whenever we try to speak something, whenever we start something new, we face lots of difficulties, and it's really like difficult for me that time. But when I was like your videos always on Instagram and on YouTube as well, and many videos related to like what I can say, talking and I always used to talk and watch the videos of Rajni actually.
Rajni
I don't
Verma.
know
Yes. Yeah.
what the
Rajni
name of
Verma.
her channel. Yeah, Rajni Verma. So that's motivate me a lot to speak and start my taking this 30 days of English speaking challenge. And I really like feel gratitude that I met you actually. When I talk you on call, I thought that I should start and take that challenge, and now I can see like I'm improving little by little and day by day actually. So I'll suggest everyone start your journey whenever, where you are, wherever you are. You should talk and you should speak, and with this you can improve and
That's
that challenge.
wonderful. That's wonderful. My second question was like, I was about to ask that what sort of challenges you faced. You mentioned that I was facing this issue that I was not getting the right words at the right time, right? A lot of learners go through this. Like they face other than this.
especially
Hmm.
especially facing camera when we start something
Ah,
recording. Yeah, face lots of difficulties like record when we record ourselves. We are thinking like what we am saying, what I'm saying, what to say and what to
yeah.
not. But yeah. And one more thing I will like add here. ChatGPT helped me a lot. I used to talk with it
Okay.
and Google
Nice.
Gemini also. And okay, okay,
Wonderful. So
Shubi.
ChatGPT helped you. So as you shared that you started, so did you start this year or like you started early before 30-day challenge? Were you practicing or like tell me about it? When did you exactly start practicing seriously?
No, I hadn't talked with anyone or not like started anywhere to speak this language. But yeah, when I was using Instagram and YouTube, I seen lots of members and lots of people who are speaking fluently and recording themselves, then that hits me a lot to speak. And I was much into in this language. I was interested in this language earlier when I was in college and during my PG also.
Mhm.
So when it's come to speak and all those, I faces lots of difficulties. Then I started to think like I should speak and talk someone, but I hadn't no courage this type, or like this type of courage to speak fluently with someone on camera. And but I used to talk on audio calls sometimes. And then I started this journey to take 30 days of English speaking challenge, and really it helped me a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I can see the changes, when you were making the videos. Like you were so hesitant and taking multiple pauses, but now you are much fluent in comparison to your first video. Yeah.
Yeah, especially the beginners who wants to speak this language and be fluent in this language, they actually everyone think over like, oh, we overcome actually, like we don't want to overcome our fear. We don't leave out our comfort zone. That's why we are not learning. That is the
Yeah.
thing I used to do. I procrastinate the thing. I will speak, but I never try, and that's the reason I was hesitant a lot. And you can see on my in my videos and all those things. And actually how was I am that time. But yeah, don't hesitate. Actually, I will say, and feel gratitude whatever you have lots of things to learn. And you have ChatGPT, Google Gemini, with whom you can talk and overcome your fear. That's the real thing actually. And be genuine person, don't fake. And if you want to fake accent also, you
Yeah.
are learning something, you are watching something, try to fake. Yeah, if you have no confidence, fake. The You can understand with whom you are talking, he is or she is also not have like that type of confidence actually. Everyone is faking, and with this fakeness they are learning everything. Yeah, am I right?
Absolutely. You reminded me of Priyanka Chopra. She said that fake it till you make it. So
Yeah.
like faking is it's not about, yeah, it's not about pretending. It's about, preparing yourself every day to be at that particular position. Shadowing. Yeah, there's a
Yeah.
technique called shadowing.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
People
Shadowing
can,
and mirror both can
yeah.
help you a lot. And I used to do this both. I used to do that. Yeah. And right now I am also like hesitating, but it's okay. I'm trying so that
No,
I
I
can.
would
This
really
is my.
like to appreciate you, Anuradha, because not all the people have guts to go on camera and to accept all the
Yeah.
flaws and showing yourself. This is like not cup of everyone, and I would really admire you for that. What's the
Yeah.
funniest English mistake you have made that still embarrass you? That you feel, oh, I shouldn't have made this.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's a very interesting question actually. And I did lots of mistake, not one, not a single one. I have did
Okay.
lots of mistake like pronouncing sh and so, that one.
Yeah.
And even in present and past tense.
Next question. Have you ever
When,
used the wrong word in a meeting or in a function or in an event, and then later you got to know, oh, that I shouldn't have used? Has this ever happened to
yeah,
you?
I absolutely, I have done somewhere, but I don't remember actually. But I never did in a meeting and all those things. As you know, this is my first video call with you. But yeah, uh, in college time or school time, I definitely did, but I don't have remember actually. Okay,
Mhm.
I remind actually the word beloved, and we our teacher called it Bilvid, and I do mistake. What is this Bilvid? And I think that is the word beloved. Yeah,
Beloved. Okay. Okay.
But our teacher said like velvet sometime, something like that, and we used to say this word like that. But later I learned that it is a beloved, not velvet, and all those things. Yeah, but that
Okay,
was not my mistake. That
sounds
was my
funny.
teachers. They taught me wrong.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
your teacher. Okay, got it.
yeah, and because word also they used to say because and like that. Some
Because
teachers,
like the actual pronunciation is because, and then a lot of
yeah,
people say because. Yeah, no
yeah.
problem. And this is the final and last segment, and this one is rapid fire. Okay. Yeah. So my first question is Hindi or
Mhm.
English? What would you choose? Language.
English.
Seriously? Okay. You would prefer English, right?
Okay, we can prefer English also. Hindi and English both.
Okay. Okay. Because next question.
Bye.
Yeah. Next question. You are
Okay.
from MP, right?
No, no. I'm from UP.
UP. Sorry, I made a mistake. I mean, in my mind, it's UP, but I said MP. You are from UP, okay? So,
Okay.
UP or other
Mhm.
state, what would you choose?
Like for what to choose?
To stay.
What is the option you have given me? Can you
Yeah,
repeat?
your own state, or you would
What is
like
the
to, come out from your state. What would you choose? Staying at your state or outside of the state? What would you choose?
baby? Go, go, like come out from my state. I don't want to stay here. I
Okay.
want to go somewhere, work, and really.
Next question. Fruits
Mhm.
or water balls? What would you choose?
No, fruits. I love fruits, especially apples.
Okay, but I heard
And
from people, girls like, water balls more.
no, not
Okay.
like that. I like to eat, but fruits are really in my genre. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Wonderful. Next question. YouTube, Instagram.
Nowadays, I'm using Instagram, so I'll prefer Instagram, but I am going to start YouTube also. This will help me a lot
Welcome
because
on YouTube platform.
uh,
Yeah, finally.
because we have very less time there, like 1 minute and 30 seconds you can upload something. But YouTube is something where you can speak for 5 minutes, 10 minutes with yourself actually. You don't need any partner or anything. If you are talking with any partner, that's also included here.
Absolutely. And I would say thank you so much for coming on my channel and having conversation with me. I hope you had a great time, though we had some glitches in between. So,
Yeah, yeah. I enjoyed a lot and thank you so much for inviting me here. And I'm really glad actually I meet you first time here and I'm
hi
really
bye.
happy. Bye bye.
No, no, I said hi bye. And I didn't
Oh,
say bye.
sorry.
Now after that I'll say
Actually,
bye.
voice is breaking sometimes.
Oh,
So
is it? Okay.
yeah.
No problem.
So
Now even I'm about to like, yeah. So bye, Anu. Thank you so much for coming on my channel. Bye bye.